What's up? Welcome to How to Draw a Dog. Um, I meant a llama. So what happens is this video started as how to draw a dog, but I started to draw a rough sketch of a dog. It did not look like a dog, so I was just gonna erase the whole thing and redraw the rough sketch and kind of analyze. I always draw the thing before once to analyze how I could teach it to you people. So I was just about to erase it, and I noticed that dog drawing, it looked like a llama. So here we are, how to draw a llama. I know, there is not even a single tutorial on YouTube to how to draw a llama. I think everybody needed this in their lives. Everybody, every single person on this planet needed this, and I'm here to fulfill the need. First, what you want to do is draw an oval. Keep these lines really light because these will eventually be erased. That's all you want to do for the start. The next step after you draw this oval is to extend the oval a little bit, like that. If there's something under there, so a little bit, kind of like that. Get it a little down and extend the line, get it down, give it like a little jolt down, and there we go. And now what you want to do is draw a little triangle here, and make that a little skinnier. Actually, I did plan a Halloween special, just so you know, guys. I did do that, but the problem with that was I ended up drawing a werewolf, and at the end of the video, my sketch that I did went right, but the sketch I did in the video turned out to be this, so I don't think anyone wants to draw that, but if they do, I will leave the link in the description. It's been made private, but like if I leave a link to it, anyone could watch it, so if you want to watch it, go ahead, there'll be the link in the description, but yeah, it's not good. So, after you're doing this, now what you want to do is erase this part. Trying to get this down, bring that a little down, and there we go. Bam, we're drawing a llama. Everybody needed this in their lives. So there we go, that is the little place the holy llama shall sit, and you can draw the teeth to the thing. There you go. And there we go. So now what you want to do is extend the line, kind of like an oval, like that. Bring it down, kind of give it that, and there. Now we're almost done drawing the llama. Now you want to erase that to an extent. We are done almost. So now what you want to do is make this line a little flatter, like this, kind of. Make it flat like the earth is. I'm just kidding. Flat earthers are dumb people. Oh my god, I already got 1 million dislikes because I said I hate flat earthers, but they are dumb. So this is how you want to draw the ear. So there we go, that's the ear of the llama. That's the other ear of the llama. And now you kind of want to faintly, now what you want to do is, for this part now we are almost done. Wait, I forgot to do the eye. You want to do the eye like this. Make it quite big and then draw the eye right there. I hope you can see. There we go. That we're drawing the line with the llama's face, and you want to draw a little circle there and then a big circle right there, and then shade that circle in a little, shade this part in a little, and there we go. The llama is almost done, except I just noticed that this nose part, I kind of drew this a little too small, and it should not be this small. So there we go. So whoever's live dream it was to draw a llama, and they couldn't. I know you guys tried, every one of you tried so hard, but you couldn't draw a llama. And here we go. We have a llama. Wait, I'll extend. I just want to make this video like a little longer, just because I feel like that was really quick. I drew the llama. It is a fairly easy thing to draw. So you. And by the way, if anyone is like, oh, he wants to make the video 10 minutes, I'm not doing that. I do not get paid yet. Hopefully, someday I will. YouTube banned the payment of little YouTubers. They don't get ads on their videos. I wish I did, but a long time back when I started this channel, I did earn $160. No, 160 cents. That's all I earned. That is all I earned. And then they banned the earning of little YouTubers. So now we're almost done. If you just want to draw a llama, there you go. We're done. But if you just want to shape the llama in, you will need a pencil, these lead pencils, like that, one of those, and you'll need a normal pencil that is not sharpened and a little weared out. So what you want to do with the lead is that you just want to really light lines, pretending it's shading, kind of showing where the fur goes, just like that. Like this is not actually like shading, but kind of gives a look of shading. So like really light lines, just like that. There we go. And then you want to start shading with this. Keep it light, but just like that, just like that. There we go. I'm doing another drawing video just because the last one got some really well feedback. It had one person saying you were talented. That's all I had, but it got 28 views. Oh my god. That's all I had, but still, I came back because that one person commented. So now, after you've done this, as you see, it looks pretty shaded now. That is one trick that I always like to use. Take one of these lead pencils and just a normal pencil. Use that one for the lines. Kind of shade in with this one, and then use your finger to just smudge it a little. And at the end, just do some of these a little bit. And there we go. And now what we want to do is, there's really light fur and small fur on the head of the llama. And really, really lightly color this in. Just some parts. Don't even color the whole thing, because we will smudge it. And there we go. And now smudge it. And we're done drawing a llama. Hopefully this helped all the people who want to learn how to draw a llama. I bet that was everybody, like everybody. So that is how you draw a llama. If you want to draw a parrot, wait, I got the picture, wait. If you want to draw a parrot, you can go on my last tutorial, just search up how to draw a parrot, dope like it rocks. And if you want to draw a werewolf, I will leave the link in the description. But I don't think you would want to draw that. Like, if you really want, you could draw the body, but like the face, I messed up, so I never uploaded. I did upload that video, but like I never made it public, so I could leave a link so people could watch that video. Well, I know everybody in the world needed this in their lives, and we got the llama. So subscribe, like, and comment. Share this video to the world, because I know everybody in this world needed to draw a llama. And there we go, how to draw a llama.